How to connect Discord account to Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect Discord account to Spotify. So first of all, just simply open your Discord account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're there, just simply go to the profile section from the bottom right corner of the mobile screen, and from there just simply locate the settings option from the top right corner. And over here under the account settings option, you will be able to see the option called connections. Just simply tap on it. And now just simply click on add from the top right corner again, and over here when you will scroll down, you will be able to see the option called Spotify. Just simply tap on it in order to connect both the accounts successfully, and it will redirect you to the page where you have to enter your credentials in order to log in into your Spotify account. So I'm gonna use my Google account for that, and as soon as I enter my credentials, as you can see that it is asking me for the permission in order to connect my Discord account to the Spotify. Just simply click on agree and continue with the process. And now as you can see that your Discord account has been successfully connected to your Spotify account. So this is basically how simple it is to connect your Discord account to Spotify. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.